Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Don't open them.
Don't open your eyes.
Keep your eyes closed. I'll do it. You take me to it. Close your eyes.
Cover them. Step down. Step down. They're fine. Step down. One more time. Ready? What is it? Car. Here's your seatbelt. Nope, right here. Turn over. There you go. Shut the door. Nope, come backwards. Pull that up. There you go. There you go. That doesn't. I put batteries in that. I put batteries in that.
You need to put a block down on the thing?
I'll put a block on it. I don't know how long the battery will run. We have to charge it.
Do you want to take it on the driveway?
Yeah. You can go backwards. Go. Push the. No, no. Go on the driveway.
Go on the driveway.
Go that way. Go on the driveway.
Go ahead.
Are you trying to go backwards? I took the screw out of it.
Oh. Go ahead. There's no cars coming.
You can go. You just have to watch for cars. When you get out here, you have to watch for cars.
No cars.
Okay. Yep. There you go. Go ahead.
Where my grandpa?
Yep. Go ahead. I'm coming. What? Yeah, it'll work when I put batteries in it.
It's a cup holder.
Yeah, it has a cup holder, doesn't it?
Mommy, it's a cup holder.
Oh, cool.
This way you can open and shut. It's just like a would do at my school.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? That is
Yeah, put batteries. That's a real FM radio.
What's this?
Speakers.